it's funny. All right, you guys, you got to see what I got. This is really cool for a single guy doing his grass without a crew, going through gates that are 34, well, 36 inches wide. And check it out right there. All right, you guys, this is a CC30H Club Cadet 30-inch cut. All right. Now, if you got gates that are 34 inches, 35, you can get through. I'll tell you what, it's amazing. Great cut. I throw the grass, so I've elected to get rid of the mulching pan and put this piece of rubber on here so I can throw the grass. And works really good because there's a bolt right here and a bolt right there. And this is just that checker plate plastic or rubber that you can get, anywhere, hardware store or anything like that. But yeah, it keeps the rocks down and it throws the grass all along here. So not just out of one hole. So it spreads it out really nice. There is a safety switch right there that I had to tape up and make sure it was going to be good, because that's what keeps the mower running if you're not running the mulching kit. Okay, but yeah, she's hydrostatic, and man, it goes, and it's got plenty of power. A little tippy on hills, but I'll tell you, I've taken it on some good 20-degree hills and not a problem. I did go on one hill that was a little bit iffy, and I just transferred my weight to one side and the wheel caught and off we go. But yeah, you don't want to do that too often. But yeah, it's great. Nice ride, nice seat. Yeah, great investment for me. Keeps me from walking all the time. All right, guys.